So we all know about subscribers, right? And sorry if Spinette character use doesn't have expressions. Sometimes there's that one subscriber that hates the user and subscribes to them just for to stalk them. And yes, I am looking at you, Jacob Emmanuel. So basically, these are users that stalk people that they hate, like I said, or stalk people that hate them, like WTF. You should not be doing that on a platform that has minors in it. But I am a minor too. I know if you say that, especially Jacob, who's literally 12, and stalks me, who's 13. If you think it's a secret crush thing, it isn't at all if it's about stalking. If you see these kinds of users, you can report, block, or even tell them that stalking people isn't okay if that works, but itched, that's all I have to say. Ansley signing out.